Every second, your body depends on a powerful pump working inside your chest. Without it, oxygen cannot reach your brain, nutrients cannot reach your cells, and life cannot continue. This pump never rests. Not when you are awake, not even when you are asleep. It is your heart, and it beats around 100,000 times every day to keep you alive. So how does the heart actually work? The heart is a muscular organ about the size of your fist, located slightly to the left side of your chest. Its main function is to pump blood throughout the body, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every cell. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers are called the atria, and the 2 lower chambers are called the ventricles. These chambers work together in a coordinated cycle to move blood efficiently. The process begins when oxygen-poor blood from the body enters the right side of the heart. It first flows into the right atrium, then moves into the right ventricle, which pumps it to the lungs through the pulmonary arteries. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is removed and the blood receives fresh oxygen. This oxygen-rich blood then returns to the left side of the heart. It enters the left atrium, moves into the left ventricle, and is then pumped out to the entire body through the aorta, the largest artery in the body. The heart beats in a rhythmic pattern known as the cardiac cycle. Each beat is controlled by electrical signals generated within the heart itself. A natural pacemaker called the sinoatrial node sends signals that cause the heart muscles to contract and relax in a coordinated way. The heart works closely with the blood vessels and lungs to maintain circulation. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, veins bring blood back, and capillaries allow the exchange of oxygen and nutrients at the cellular level. The understanding of how the heart works advanced significantly with the work of William Harvey, who explained blood circulation in the 17th century. His discoveries helped shape modern cardiovascular medicine. When the heart does not function properly, it can lead to serious conditions. Blockages in blood vessels can cause a heart attack. Irregular electrical signals can lead to arrhythmia, and weakened heart muscles can result in heart failure. Today, modern technology is improving heart care. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze heart rhythms, detect abnormalities, and predict the risk of heart disease. Wearable devices can monitor heart activity in real time, helping with early detection and prevention. The heart is the engine of the body, pumping blood continuously to sustain life. Understanding how it works helps us appreciate its importance and highlights the need to maintain heart health through proper lifestyle choices and advances in medical science.